It's loading 70%. Do 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 do. Oh, yay! Where am I? Help! I can't see. Help me! Help! Where am I? Oh, there I am. Hey! Ah! Now die. Before anything else. Hey guys, this is The Legend, and I am here with a Terrarium episode. Wait a second. Didn't we chop down all these trees? What? Had more. Wait. Where's the guide? Oh, okay. I was scared for a second. Okay. I thought all our stuff didn't save. Okay, hello, Mr. Guide. How are you today? Now die. Okay. Hey guys, this is The Legend, and I am back with another Terrarium episode. Today, we, what are we gonna do? Like, we might do some cave adventure and stuff, and, also build more houses. There we go. So, yeah, great episode for building houses. Yay. No, not really. But, hey, it works. Anyway. So, let's get right into it. And, yeah. No, you don't do... Get... Come on. Come on. Come at me. Come at me, bruh. Come on, you got nothing on this. Exactly. That's what I thought. Now give me your copper. Wow, 72 pieces of copper. That's pathetic, Demon Eye. Give me more copper. Give me more! Give me more copper! Okay. Okay, now let's focus. Concentrate. No, who am I kidding? I'm never gonna concentrate. Okay, so let's just fill the water in because nobody cares about your water. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about you. Alright, so let's just flatten out the land and build more houses. And I want the dye trader to come. I want you to come. Did I tell you this last time? Did I tell you this before? I don't know. But is it you guys, or do you like putting them in like your own style houses, like based on the character that they're in? Something like that. Because sometimes I like to put the item, or like the crafting thing that matches them. Like in the house. Hey, I got a zombie banner. Let's put this up in our house. Okay, let's put it up in our house. First ever banner on episode... I don't know what episode died. Oh, wait. Okay, hello, Harley. Harley's our Lord and Savior. Yeah. Die, bird. I don't like you. If you watch my Xbox series, you would know that. Ah! Oh, poop. Fell down a hole. The bird's like, heh, sucker. And I'm just like... Ha! I missed. How do you like that, bird? Haha, you get to escape this time. But you will not escape it for long. Wahahaha. Wait. Oh, it's like a worm family. Okay, I'm just gonna leave them alone. Wait. I just saw the bird. There it is. It's gonna... Yes! Snipe. You got sniped, son. How do you like it? Huh? I don't think he cared. Oh no. Wait. No. Get out of here. Come on. You. Come on. Get over. There we go. Took long enough. Alright. Let's block up this water because it doesn't need to be here. And the water does not need to be here at all. Got that? Alright. I'm just gonna... blocking up the water. Run! There's a slime. I'll help you in a second. Harley's like, no, I got this on my own. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then he just sniped the slime. So, I guess he did get it. Now, see, look at this. Beautiful. The most beautiful land you've ever seen. Okay, I crack myself up a lot. You guys are probably just sitting there screaming, like, what is wrong with you? Crazy man. I mean, crazy person. What? Okay, I'm just gonna shut up. And keep building, because building rocks. Yes. And this poor bunny got stuck in the hole. You know what, let's just put it out of its misery. Bunny, you can't get out. Here, we'll put a gravestone for you. Let's go find a grave. But first, let me take a selfie. No, we're not gonna take a selfie. Bunny, please listen to me. Stand still. Bunny, listen to me. Please, stand still. You stood still for like 2 seconds so I could talk to you. Please. Listen, buddy. I have to tell you something. You are going to... Wah! You know what? Die. Just... Much better. Okay, so let's go find a gravestone for that bunny. You know what? No, it doesn't deserve a gravestone. Let's go mining. So that the first half of this video is going to be a mining trip. Maybe the whole video, I don't know. But we desperately need one. I mean, we have cactus armor. How is that going to get us anywhere in life? It's not going to get us anywhere in life. Wait, did we go down? No, not very far. Oh well. You know what, let's just pick a random spot to dig down in. You know what, this little hole looks like the perfect spot. Ha! Oh. Hooah! No. Hooah! There we go. How do I turn the smart cursor on? You know what, who cares? Let's just keep mining. Hello, Copper. Yeah, I'm gonna skip ahead until we find something cooler than this. I don't think you can see my character. So, I'm gonna skip ahead until we find something interesting. We might have found something interesting. Oh. Okay. Guess not. Let's just put a torch. I guess it's kind of a good sign that we're already finding, like, little caves, and we haven't even dug down, like, 10 feet. Yes, we have. I think a block equals a foot. I don't know. Don't ask me. Let's just get up this lead. We'll skip ahead again until we find something more interesting than a little tiny cave. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but there's some blink root down there, which indicates there could be a cave. So we're gonna dig down to it. And as you can see, we're not that far away from where we were. It's only been like a minute. So let's keep digging down until I find this blink root. I really hope it's a bigger cave. You know what, let's shine a torch. There we go. Dig down just a little further. What was that? Something just killed something else. Okay, this looks... Alright. Oh wait, we're down finally in like the underground chasms. Because you can tell by the underground music. Come here. We'll blink root. Oh god, this is taking forever. We're not gonna find anything. Because right now this cave is looking kinda, wow, this is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. All it has is blink root and copper. I mean, seriously, why? Wait, is there something else? It goes down. No, not very far. Okay. I get it. Give me the link fruit. We might need it for later. Like in hard mode. I don't know if we're gonna need it though. Alright. Well, let's keep digging down until we find something new. Wait a minute. I think that last cave over here was just a disguise for this. We found a cave! At least relatively good size, I hope. Wait a minute. I hear something. Give me this rope. Put it on here. Now let's go up here and get some lead. Get that lead. Okay. I hear the desert creatures. Did I forget we live next to a desert? Yes, I did. Oh. Thank you. Do we have glow sticks? No. So we're just gonna go go under here. Try to find something. I wish. Wow, this doesn't give us light at all. I'm going. Oh, poop. Let's try to. Oh, no. Oh, this is so hard to see. Help. Oh, God, we're drowning. We're drowning fast. No, we're drowning. I couldn't see. It wasn't my fault. Ugh. Wow. Why are no NPCs spawning? For the love's sake. I got these vacant homes, and they aren't spawning. Ugh. Oh wait, we might eat this. Let's just eat this. Like, seriously. I've gotten 15 silver. I mean, 50 silver. Like, seriously, what's going on? Let's go to the ice biome. Have we visited there? Oh, yeah, we have. Oh, well. We're not gonna build houses until an NPC shows up. Because I'm nervous that NPCs won't come for some reason. Oh wait, here's a gravestone. You know, my innards were something. Alright, let's get out of here. Hello, slime. Goodbye. You wanna go, bro? There we go. Cardinal! Okay. You are allowed to live. It's only the birds that don't get allowed to live. Birds are evil creatures. That's a gold bird. No! That's a gold bird. Holy poop. Man, that's a gold bird. We can't get the gold. You know what? Hello, bird. I'm sorry. We couldn't get you. No! It was gold. It was a gold bird like the star. Why? Why must you do this to me, game? You are evil. Guys. Why? Man, this sucks. First we died from drowning because I couldn't see. And now this. Wow, like worst Terrarium episode ever. We found a gold bird. That reminds me of my my series I did where Wait, that reminds me of the Pinky. The Pinky despawn. Oh, you're serious. This is... Oh, for God's sake. We get to go through this. Yeah, there's a sandstorm update now. I have to climb all over the sandstorm. There. Better. Oh, no. No, you cannot. You are not allowed here. Ah, you can't fit. Sucker. Ah, he can't fit. He can't fit through this, though. So we're just gonna have to kill him. Oh, poop. Now there's Chimera. Whatever you want to call it. Alright. Hello. They shouldn't be much of a problem. Oh, I have an idea. We're gonna try. I don't know if we're gonna succeed, though. Ah! What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go under there and break 2 of the little... Oh, wait, we can't because they're, like, covered up. We need bombs. That's right. That's right. Okay. We can't do that. Maybe if we... Wait, do we have bombs on us? No. What? You're serious. I can't even... Oh, thank you. They gave me a boost. Whoa, there's like tumbleweed, help! Man, you just can't win. Angry Tumbler. Wow. That's lovely. Alright, let's just go under here. Come on, let's go. Wait, how are we gonna... What's up? Oh my God, they're gonna kill me. Why? Okay, I give up. You know what? I give up. I can't do this. I'm done. I'm done. Die. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. But we still have like 2 minutes. So, I guess I have to spend this 2 minutes doing something. Seriously, we should have the merchant by now. Like, seriously. Hey, lens. I'd like it if we had black lens, though. But hey, you can't win. Ever. Why? Let's just go home to Harley. Is it Harvey or Harley? I can't remember. Here, let's pay respects to our bunny friend. No, get away. You don't belong down in here. Get away. Get away. You wanna go? Fine with me. No, do not go down in the hole where our precious bunny friend died. What should we call him? Let's call him Hops. Alright. Rip. Hops. What should we say? You... lived a great bunny life. Period. There we go. Hops, you will live on in our hearts. Rip. Rip Hops. Poor Hops. Man. Where you wanna go, bro? Oh, poop. Oh my god, there's like 4. 3. That's 1 down, 2 to go. Ah! Oh, got him before he just got me. Huh! Boom! No. Come on! Shoot him! Oh, come on. There we go. First try. Anyway, this will be the end of this episode here. I hope you enjoyed. Probably not, because we didn't do much. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I got nothing else to say. Okay, bye.